Amazon MGM deal. Writers Guild, Public Citizen, and other groups ask US antitrust body to block merger. China rules out new data law over national security fears. Amazon app seeks share of India's farm market, offers advice on crops. AU Small Finance Bank jumps 7% as firm clarifies on recent managerial exits. Britain in talks with Taliban over safe passage of remaining nationals. Commodity strategies: gold, silver, crude, base metals. Turning from Afghanistan, the US sets focus on China. Tata Power shares gain 0.93% as Sensex falls. Buy Godrej consumer target of rupees 1250, says Motilal Oswal. Amazon launches agronomy services for farmers. NBFCs have enough liquidity buffers to tackle headwinds in H2 FY22 Indra. NCLT directs freezing attaching assets of Videocon promoters. India's monsoon rainfall forecast to be above average in September. Vijaya Diagnostic Center IPO subscribed 13% on day 1 of bidding. Carborundum Universal share gain as Citi initiates coverage with a buy. Pidilite India share price up 1.88%. Investors eye emerging market upswing after China shock. Jubilant Food stock price up 0.08% as Sensex slides. 46 stocks that delivered up to 340% in 2021. Economy has not even gone back to base zero, which is 2019-2020. Jobs lost, wages cut. India's world-beating GDP masks pain of the pandemic. Manufacturing activity sluggish in August 2021, hiring paused. Why brokerages suggest subscribing to the issue, Vijaya Diagnostic IPO. India's manufacturing sector activities moderate in August, constrained by COVID-19 surging costs. Shoppers Stop shares surge 6% as company sells Crossword bookstore for 42 crore. UPI clocks 3.55 billion transactions in August worth 6.39 trillion. The silent partner cleaning up Facebook for 500 million a year. LinkedIn Snapchat stories clone bites the dust. What's on your plate? Center to set standards for specialty bread. India's power consumption up 18.6% to 129.51 billion units in August. Dhanuka Group to set up rupees 1250 crore polyfilm factory at Panagarh. As the US completes withdrawal, here's a look at its footprint in Afghanistan. Kia India launches Seltos X-Line trim with price starting at 17.79 lakh rupees. Thomas Cook SOTC announced holiday offers for Dubai. Havells India Voltas among Credit Suisse's top bets in consumer durables. Schools and colleges in Tamil Nadu resume physical classes with COVID-19 SOPs. Why coffee prices are soaring, explained. Shares of MRF fall as Nifty drops. Zen Technologies shares rally after order book update. AMI Organics rupees 570 crore IPO kicks off. Should you apply? Vijaya Diagnostic Center IPO sees 9% bid so far on day one. Manufacturing growth falls in August on COVID curbs rising input costs. Metal IT stocks drag Sensex Nifty in the red. VIX climbs 3%. Buy Soba target rupees 770, says Angel Broking. Why Bajaj Finance premium valuation is likely to continue. Pankaj Pandey explains. Axis Bank shares surged 11% in 5 days. What's fueling the rally? High rises. Red hot property stocks set for next leg of rally. AMI Organics IPO subscription updates. Day 1. Cooking gas prices hiked by rupees 25 per cylinder. Here are the latest rates. Rupee slips 5 paise to 73.05 against US dollar in early trade. Toyota Kirloskar domestic sales surged over twofold to 12,772 units in August. MapMyIndia files IPO papers with SEBI. India Cements Oberoi Realty rally after FNO inclusion. Likhita infrastructure stock jumps 8% on 146 crore order win. AMI Organics IPO subscribed 31% so far on day 1. Yellow metal continues to fall, silver also slides. PayU Buildesk gain deal worth 4.7 billion. Who gains and how? Sensex hits fresh record high, surges 200 points. Nifty near 17,200. Do investors really need funds in their portfolio? Indian factory growth slipped in August, job cutting returned. CD Projekt Red hires Ubisoft to build out more MODs for support for Cyberpunk 2077.